Hello viewers, this is a D3-K2 2000. Let's try to find out some interesting facts about the product. Did you know that vitamin D is one of the most important vitamins our bodies need to maintain a healthy immune system? Did you also know that more people are deficient in vitamin D than any other vitamin on the planet? Even though our bodies make vitamin D in response to sunlight, most people aren't getting enough sunlight on a daily basis to maintain healthy levels of vitamin D. And since very few foods contain vitamin D, it's very common for so many of us to be deficient. Without enough vitamin D on a daily basis, our immune systems are weakened, our bone density is compromised, and our bodies are much more vulnerable to sickness and disease. Scientifically formulated with vitamin K2 not only supports the function of vitamin D, but also helps to ensure that calcium reaches the bones to maintain healthy bone density, and to help maintain healthy blood and heart function. Male, female, old, young, this powerful combination of the highest quality vitamins D3 and K2 is something everyone should be taking every day to get healthy and stay healthy. This product will also make it easy for you to be healthy. It will bring you. This product supports strong bone density and maintains healthy heart function and high quality vitamin D and K. So order now without delay. Check my bio to order.